Welcome back. Today actually we decided to do a unboxing slash review video of, I think, an interesting product called a boat hook by a brand called Revolve. And this is actually a boat hook which is stowed in this small box here. So I'm really curious how they managed to do this. It's an interesting box. It's relatively light with a really short instruction on this side how to stow it, but I should start on the other side how to use it. It looks quite simple also to stow it. It's relatively interesting, especially knowing that there are quite a few boats where it is quite difficult to store a boat hook. We are on a 25-foot sea ray, and on this boat, even though it's around 8 meters long, it's not a small boat, but I really wouldn't know where to stow a proper sized boat hook. Let's just go ahead and start unboxing. Nice package. This is, as you can see, how it's been stored inside the box. And this is it. Revolve, it says on the side. Feels interesting. So let's just start. Of course, I just read the short instruction. And this is how it's supposed to be, well, made ready for use. This is already a big part of it. And this is the actual hook. There's a small insert here and something here which looks like a screw. I think it's supposed to go in like this end. Let me check where exactly it fits in. And then you turn it around so that it's properly attached and doesn't come loose. And this is it. I really am surprised. I mean, this feels light, yet sturdy. Let me check how sturdy it actually is. I'm a bit hesitant doing this, but it actually works. And it's, I don't know how much it weighs, but I would guess maybe half a kilo, not even that. It's really interesting. They wrapped it with a soft material with the Revolve brand on it, which I think is a good solution because with this end you have a good grip. I really like it. I'm surprised. Let's check how you fold it away again. Of course, this needs a bit of getting used to. You press the button. Of course, you need to read the manual first. Press the button, then it comes loose. You were supposed to fold it like this from this end. I'm sure if you get used to it, this goes a bit faster, but even so, doing this for the very first time, it's not really difficult. This is it. We're back. And this is the only thing that you need to store. As I said, even on a 25-foot sea ray, just put it in a simple, relatively small storage space, and off you go. Just to show that I managed to fold it back to the size that it was originally. Here we go again, and that's it. The Revolve boat hook is a game changer. Full-size boat hook, 1.9 meters, light and compact, stows in smallest places, actually floats for easy recovery, tough weatherproof finish. I must say, I'm impressed. Really nice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.